Yeah,
did something
push
wrong.
that button up there.
Well, I can't get to it, dude.
You can't do it with...
Fucking easier said than done.
Oh, damn.
Did I break it? I'm pretty sure I broke it.
Is there a way to
Wait,
can't Amy, like, triple jump?
Wait,
I think she can triple jump.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What the- what?
Yeah.
How did you know that?
I don't know.
Well, I didn't fucking know she could triple jump!
It didn't matter until now. Yeah.
What the fucking shit?
Yeah.